we go, guys. This is the finished quilt. Hopefully, look at how square the bottom is. It is so squared off. Look at it. I'm using my tripod. Look at how nice. That corner is so squared up. Let's turn. Chico, don't start. My dog's gonna start. Look at that. Alright. Let me change this around. There. Okay. I want to start with the center, these flowers here. Bought the fabric in Amazon. I think it was 10 by 10. Came in a pack. I think it was like 100 pieces. It was the best. I bought it twice. I bought a solid and I bought flower prints. And this fabric that I used, and that is so soft. You can see which one. I mean, I used other fabrics in here too that I already had. But I started it where I went 13 across and 10 rows down. But somehow it got turned around after I got here. Started making the black and white flowers, which I did 2 rows all the way around. And then somehow I put it on this wall, and me and my grandson was looking at it, and it was like this. It looked like it was going like this. I thought the black and white fabric was playing with my eyes, you know? But it was like that. And I'm like, wait a minute. It don't look right. It's not laying right. It has nothing to do with the paper still in. So I decided that I'm going to buy more fabric, make more black and white hexagons, and start filling all this in. As you can see, how much I filled in, and that's about the same all the way around. But I love this quilt. The only thing is, I figured a lot of times when you add black and white to like towards the end of your quilt, everything in the center just pops. You know, the black and white makes it pop. Not this time. I believe the black and white to me is doing the popping, and the colored flowers in the background somewhere. But I love it. I just love it. It came out like so much bigger than what I expected. And I believe, what was it? 70 something across and like 89 down, something like that. Pretty big for black quilts, don't you say? But I can't say that I really had a lot of fun. It started out that way, but then when I just got to the black and white, it was just so much of just the black and white that I had to add to it. It was taking so long because I was filling in, square it off, and every day was like, oh my God, I kept telling my aunt, oh my God, can't wait till I finish this. I am not going to make another hexagon quilt. But in this video you'll see where I did start during this process, before, sometimes in between. I was doing this quilt. It's a gnome. It's a Christmas gnome. It's got the reds and oranges and whatnot, flags, and it's all hexagon, but it's just, what was it, ½ inch? Something like that, inch or ½ inch, something like that, just very small. So it's going to come out small. You'll see that, just a clip of it, not much. And these panels that I made myself. I designed everything, all the little characters and everything. I did it myself. You'll see that in the video too. I mean, gotta change things up, you know. So I didn't stay completely faithful, you know, because your mind goes something else I want to do. But I think this took me about a month, maybe not even a month. I don't remember. But this took me a minute. All the black and white, because we got our stuff. I don't remember if it was the end of February, sometime in March. Once I got it, I put everything up in here and start working on it. And it took a while. It really did. Because towards the end, it was like every day I wasn't working on it. I start and then I just stop. I'll go lay on the couch or something. Because it's so hot. I'm in the garage. The heat gets, I wouldn't say unbearable, but it gets hot in here. And just to stay in here, so sometimes it gets to be too much. Texas is too much. I wouldn't tell anybody to come move to Texas, any part of it, unless you're used to that heat. The people are wonderful. The food is like not the greatest, but it's edible. But the heat, forget it. And I think it's like November or something, December, where it actually starts cooling down just a bit. But me and my daughter are still out there in shorts, and everybody else is wearing hoodies and sweatpants, and we're still hot. We're still fried. But that's us. We're Chicagoans. We're always hot. But what do you guys think of it? I love it. It's just so nice. I can't wait to take all the papers out and start quilting it. What I was thinking is just doing across like that on an angle, and do it reverse and call it a day, and then put the binding on. The binding, I don't want to think of a binding. Maybe 1.5 maybe inches wide. I don't want it too wide. I want a little narrow, little tight, you know, just to hold it. That's about it. And the binding, I don't know what I'll use for binding. Maybe some solid color. Maybe I'll just use black. Like the binding out of the black fabric. I don't know. We'll see when I get to that stage. But I love it. I just love it. It's gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoy it too. Kind of fun, kind of monotonous, kind of tiring, kind of inspiring. Especially when I got to the last, I think, 12 pieces that were left. Oh, I'm like, yes! I loved it. It's funny because my dog is standing here as I'm talking to you on the camera. He's wagging his tail because he thinks I'm talking to him. He don't see anybody. He's looking around, and he's looking up at me and wagging his tail. He said, Mom, I think you lost your mind. Oh, yes, my little Chico. You guys, well, if you watched my videos, there's videos that I showed him. He's a cute little Chihuahua. He's a cute little one. Little blonde Chihuahua with a big heart. But he can also be aggressive towards certain people. But if you guys haven't subscribed, anybody that may still be watching that hasn't subscribed, I ask if you can please press that red button, subscribe. Don't forget about hitting the notification bell. So you all know me by now. You never know when I'm going to make a video. Sometimes I go a period, sometimes back to back. It's when I got that time, when I can, between not feeling good, pain in the legs, pain in the back. It's just hard just to sit there and try to make a video and so, but those are my problems, not your guys's. I wish you all well. This is about 10.5 minutes long, so I'm going to let you guys go. But please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you ahead of time. Bye for now.